YouTube. I'm kind of tired because I had an all-nighter last night after my commencement and it lasted until 4, so I just got up like an hour ago. But I found this, I refound the dialect videos, and so I thought I would remake mine because my last one was really bad quality, so I'm going to put that one on private, and I'm going to redo the dialect videos, and I found a more like expanded one. So yeah, if anybody didn't know, I'm from Michigan, so but all of my friends say that I say words wrong, so after I do this I'll kind of explain that part a little bit. So I'm just gonna do this first. So the words are aunt, route, wash, oil, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, shore, data, ruin, crayon, toilet, New Orleans, con, both, again, probably, spitting image, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, syrup, pajamas, and caught. And then the questions are, what is the thing you throw, what is the thing when you throw toilet paper at a house? And that's TPing. What is the bug that when you touch it, it curls into a ball? That's a roly-poly. What is the bubbly carbonated drink? This is not Michigander, I know it's not. Soda. It's not pop, it's soda. What do you call gym shoes? Tennis shoes. I don't own a pair of tennis shoes. What do you say to address a group of people? I say y'all, actually. I know it's not Michigan, but I say y'all. What kind of spider has an oval-shaped body and extremely long legs? A daddy long legs, I think, is what they're referring to. What do you call your grandparents? My grandparents, personally, I call Nana and Papa, but I have other grandparents and I call them Grandma and Grandpa. What do you call a wheeled contraption that you carry groceries at the supermarket? A grocery cart. What do you call when rain falls while the sun is shining? I've never heard of this before, so a sun shower or a rainbow, I think. What do you call the thing to change the television with? Either the clicker or the remote. Either of those. Yeah, so what I was saying about me not saying words right, my friends always make fun of the way I say words because I don't pronounce the vowels correctly according to them. Like when like you can win or you can lose, like winning and losing, and then my friends always are like winning by Charlie Sheen and I'm like winning, and they're all like you fail. Or I will say English and they all say English. I say tomato even though everybody that I've ever met says tomato. But I don't say potato, I say potato. Theater was in there and that one just throws me off. I have no idea what. It's the T-E-R at the end. It doesn't sound right when I say it and listen to myself speak. It's theater, and I and like that doesn't even sound like I'm from Michigan anymore. I say coupon, and my friends make fun of me because my whole family says coupon. A lot of these were like, you could say route, you could say route, you can say data, you could say data. It depends on when you use it. One more word for you that I can't say is orange. Oh, and then me and my friend both, we can't pronounce specific words. Like my friends have tried to get us to pronounce them correctly and it just does not work. Words like synonym, which I'll write it underneath me so you can know what I'm actually saying. Synonym, amenity, seminany, that one can be screwed up really, really badly. An anonym, or an anonym, and then a synonym. So those are ones in particular that I can't say. I know I can't say it, and I'm trying to say it, and it just makes me sound stupid. So there you go. Some of that sounds Michigan, some of it sounds like I don't belong here. So I guess you guys can determine for me where I belong in the world. See you guys later, and leave me a comment below or subscribe. Yay! Bye.